And here's EMAP Nation with freshman offensive lineman Alex Vondestello. Alex, how you pronounce your name?
Its full name is Alexei Peter Von Disterlo.
Oh, okay. I feel like I always get that wrong.
Everybody does.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good, had a good practice. I'm just feeling excited for the game.
Good. Are you excited about the trip to Minnesota?
Oh yeah, I've heard so many things about how they're crazy and everything. I'm looking forward to it, having a good time.
Oh, okay, so I'm guessing you've never been up there?
I have not, actually. This is the farthest east I've ever been.
Oh.
I mean, I've gone to Louisiana, but this is farther than that.
Oh, okay. Well, what's been your most favorite part of Greenville so far?
Everybody says it, but it's the people. Everybody's real nice, and everybody's just real caring and helpful, and just wants to help with everything, and it's real cool.
Oh, okay, good.
It's a great atmosphere.
How have classes been?
Pretty easy. I mean, it's a lot of the same stuff I already know, but it's a lot of the stuff it's making me think. Like my core class, we're doing social justice, and it's really making me think about a lot of the things that are going on in the world.
Okay. And what did you think about Coach Walker's talk about paradigms last night?
I like what Coach Walker was saying. I may not agree with all the same religious principles, but I see how it reflects to a lot of the things in life, and how it really reflects on everything and how it all works together.
Okay, good. And I love asking linemen this question, but if you were athletic enough to play any position on the field, what would it be and why?
I'd still be a lineman. I mean, it's just so much fun hitting people. I just like to do it, and if I was athletic enough, I'd still be a lineman. I'd just hit more linebackers.
That's good. Is there anyone back at home you would like to say hi to?
Just my mom, my dad, my stepdad, my brothers, my stepbrothers, my stepsister, and the dogs. Hi.
All right, good. Well, thanks, Alex, for your time.
Yeah, email!